When I line up in November, I'll be full of gratitude. I'll leave music class today with a positive attitude. I tried real hard and did my best to put my new skills to the test. Now I'm going